Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I am very excited, you guys. I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, which honestly I haven't done in a little while on my channel. So I'm really excited. This piece that I have is a limited edition item. I'm not too sure if they're going to have more really soon, but let me tell you guys real quick. This item came out, I would say around March or April, and it wasn't on my list. I wasn't really thinking about it. I'm like, okay, it's kind of cute, but whatever. And then I would say during the summer, I was like, okay, I really want this. Like, this is cute. I can see this being used in my everyday life. Like, I really want this item. And then when it got closer to, you know, fall, I'm like, all right, I'm ready to purchase. Let's get it. And then it was sold out everywhere, like online. I tried to call and they said it wasn't available. So I got an essay and they were like, well, this came out in March and I don't know if they're going to be available, but I try. So I was like, okay, great, just let me know. And I'm like ready to buy right now. And you guys, I'm telling you, 2 weeks later, that item popped up on the website and I was like, add to cart, buy, let's go, put in my pin. Like, I was just ready to roll and I ordered the item. I'm just so excited. And you guys, it really did take, I would say, a week. Not even a week, so maybe like 3 days to get to me. So it was like really fast. And you guys, I don't know, I've just been so Louis Vuitton crazy lately. I've added stuff to my wish list. First of all, I really want to get these earrings. That just might be my next purchase from Louis Vuitton, are those hoop earrings with the logo LV in them, because they're just so sticky cute. And I'm telling you guys, for Christmas, I'm going to get that multi-pochette bag. Like, I just have a feeling that I'm going to buy that bag because I don't know, I just really like it. It's super cute. So that's the purse that I really want. And you know, my luxury wish list is ongoing. It never ends. I'm always adding in, I'm always taking away, adding, taking away. But I'm really trying to stick to a list and get the things that I really just want, and not just things that I say like, oh, this is super cute, everybody on Instagram has it, I have to have it. Like, no, you don't have to have it, Tyra, okay? But anyway, let's just get right into the unboxing. Also, you guys, I have 2 shirts that I want to show you guys, and let's just get right into the video. All right, you guys, my box came in a box like this. It says Louis Vuitton. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, I did take a little teeny weeny peek just to make sure everything was all good. But other than that, yeah, it's still in its original packaging. Here is the receipt. I will tell you guys how much this item costs and all the details. So okay. I am so excited. I am so excited. I love this little piece. So stinking cute. You guys, oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see it in its full glory. Like, oh my gosh. It's this neon, oh, it's upside down. Neon, what is this called? This is called a, oh my gosh, how do I not know what this is called? I just bought this. What is this called? Pocket organizer. This is called a pocket organizer. Oh my gosh, y'all. Get into it. This is so cute. Like, I am obsessed. I love this piece. This is from the men's collection. I'm not too sure if this is one that Virgil came out with, like this color or something, I don't know. But this is from the men's collection. So if you guys really want to get it, it's in the men's. It's called Pocket Organizer, and the color is, I don't know how to pronounce this color, so I will just leave it down below for you guys. But here is the tag. I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see this, but I will put all the information down below for you guys. So if you guys want to order this item or see if it's available or contact your SA. But I am so excited. Like, this is so cute. It has so many pockets. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. So cute. And it even has a pocket at the back. So cute. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I have this. I've been eyeing this for a good minute. So you guys, they put this as a gift, so I don't have the correct price, but I will put it on the screen somewhere, or I will leave it down below for you guys. I will leave direct links. I'm also excited, you guys, because I don't really carry cash. Like, I don't like carrying cash around because, I don't know, like, I have this thing like, oh my gosh, what about this happens and how I'm gonna get this back? So I don't really carry cash, so I think this will be perfect for me. I'm probably not going to use this that often because it is this bright neon green, but I love this piece. It's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. So cute. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to show you guys are these two t-shirts. They're not luxury, but they are, I don't know, they just are super special. They're by Demetrius Herman. I think that's how you pronounce his name. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I am so sorry. Okay, he makes You Matter t-shirts. It's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's just helping people who like feel like they don't matter, depression, anxiety. He talks a little bit about that. I follow him on Twitter, and these shirts are just so stinking cute. This one is a long sleeve, it's pink, and it says You Matter Now and Forever, and I'm like, oh my god, this is so stinking cute. And then the back says the same thing. And I'm just so excited about this because this is just so cute and such a really good idea. Like, it's just, I really do love it because some people, you know, need a reminder, and it's okay. Like, you matter, okay? Don't feel like you don't matter in the world. You absolutely do. You have a voice. So I got this pink one, and I also got a orange one. It says the same exact thing. And I'm just so excited because they're kind of oversized, so I can just throw these on to bed, to cry, to cuddle with myself, because you know. But cuddle with myself in my bed, wear it out. I can just, this is my go-to shirt, okay? Because I matter. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't know because I can't see nothing at all. Okay. No. Go back.
See, nigga, you not talking.
Come on, move it this way a little bit.
Oh.
No, like pick it up and then move it this way, because this is the easy. There we go. Alright, put the mirror down a little bit. Boom, perfect. Okay, so let me see. Do I look do I look okay?
You alright, little nigga.
Side profile.
Get into these edges though.
Hakuna Matata.
Action.
Alright, thank you.